Begin as if you were speaking softly from just behind the listener. In a pitch-black room, your voice low, warm, but edged with shadow. Purely vocal-driven dark Andy, 45 BPR. Extremely close mic, intimate and heavy. Non-language whispers, chest-resonant hums, slow breaths and faint throat drones. Pulse from breath, one long, two short, one long with subtle irregularity. Occasional reversed phrases or granular stretching so earlier tones return altered. Minimal sub-bass breath noise underlay for weight. Narrow stereo field, small room tone almost ASMR close. Section shift, breath curling across the listener's neck, hums that thicken and press closer, unfinished whispers that linger, pauses that feel watched, overtone hums vibrating in the chest, no lyrics, no percussion, no bright highs. Feels like the dark itself is sharing the same air.